We're seeing now Be'ez Hashem Yisbarach Maseches Taanith Daf Yud Gimel, and we're starting the Mishnah Halacha Yud Gimel. Ein goes in Taanith Halatzibbe Betchila V'Shem Chamishi Shaled Lefkiyas Sha'orim, not to raise the prices, because when the Taanith people buy a lot of food, so they can raise the prices. El Shalosh Taniyas Rishonos Sheini V'Chamishi V'Sheini. You start off with a Monday. Then you can start with Thursday. No, should not make any, even the second ones. Don't start with the Thursday. Now there is a sugya here that's really in Masechta Yevamas. It's just hataka from there. Shimon Baba Omer, it's said like this: also uv the kamar b'yechna v'hoyre ki Rabbi Yossi. He passed like Rabbi Yossi. This is something that's in Yevamis. It has to do with Arusa, how much they have to wait, and Suah. You can look it up in the Perek HaCholos. Rabbi Lazar is Talmud with the star. Omar Shafkin, how can you do like a Yochid against the Stoma? Stoma is like that you're not allowed to. Like Rabbi Meir. Then he found that it's Rabbi Meir is the one that says the stomach. You're the perky guy. The old man knows well how to be metaritz himself. Because he knew that this is only like a Meir. That's why he did like Rabbi Yossi, because it's not a stomach. It's really only a shittas yichadah. It's shittas Rabbi Meir. Emana boy kumebgid. Like in Omer B'chizki, Rabbi Shem Blazer, K'ok Shana Rabbi Mechleik, the Chodesh Shana Stam, Aloch Stam. That whenever Rabbi learns Mechleikis, and then Rabbi learns Stam, Aloch Stam. So, if Rabbi made it into a Stam, even though you find somewhere that's a Meir, the Aloch is like Stam, Amalei, V'loi Rabbi, Dil Mechoyrim. Maybe somebody else said that Machlaikis, not Rabbi. That's so. This rule applies only when Rabbi is the one that said both. Machlaikis is tam, Malach is tam. If somebody else said the Machlaikis, then it doesn't apply. Maybe we don't pass like this tam. So then he's asking, Mahin in the Ashkich Rabbi Machlaikis the Chodesh Shana Stam, Malach is tam. Asad le ashke khayim khayim shon mekhlek ze shon stam le kol shon stam. He's asking, I don't understand what you're saying. Kabel khaymer, such a place Allah should be like a stam. Khayzer makshe. Also bkhizke yanke bache shim baba shem khalaze. Don't even think that this is some kind of. Gemara says maybe somebody would come up with such a difference. No, it makes no difference. So then we don't understand why Rabbi Yochanan Paskin like Rabbi Yossi there. That's sugya. Why is Paskin like Yechidai? Shemil v'yana b'shem achad adod. Omer sheim cholekes l'stam. Am esh cholekes l'stam. Loi b'da loch l'stam. Different reason. Since both are close to each other, then you don't pass like the stam. You don't pass like the stam. If the machlekes is very close to the stam, so we can pass like the machlekes. Because bin sheb shem ache adod at omer beyochid yochid it's a chacham live the stam. Another answer he says that you don't pass like the stam. A yochid it's chachamim. Yochid, then we can pass like a stam. But if the Yochid is against Chachamim, means the Chachamim say different, then we don't pass like the stam. Different rule. Different rule. It's not Negeya here, because there's only one Chacham. This is just a separate halacha here. It's just wants to bring on another rule. So anyway, the point of this is that since the machlekes is close to the stam, you don't pass like the stam, and you can pass like Rabbi Yossi. This whole sugya is be'etzem negeya to it's gonna get to the Sugya Yavamas. It's just like Gav Urcha Igmor boarded in here. Okay, let's continue the weiter. En goy taanith bosh for doshen bechanike bepurim. And mischile em afsiken, divrei Gamliel. Once he started already, the base hay base, and bumped Chanukah inside, you don't stop. What you do is, you don't finish the whole taanith. You fast before, you fast almost the whole day, but then you don't want to make it into a full taanith, so you eat before the Shkia. Shabbos, same story. Erev Shabbos, you don't fast the whole Friday. Kam yes chollah. What means das chollah? That if you have it even one, you started one, let's say base hey base, you started one already, it's considered as chollah and it's imafsik. Memekoir. Tainus shechol b'shchoidish, he's asking here. Said imas kilo imafsiken, right? Let's say it's Challah Chodesh or Chanukah. I said it's Chodesh, but it wasn't Chanukah. What do you read in the Torah? Yais Oma Koyim Brachas Ekolalos. That's what you used to read by the way. Used by Torah, used to read Imchi Koyset Alechu. Omer Amana begin with that in the Tanisa. You have to teach them it's a taanith. If you are in the Tanisa, everybody's on their stomach, meaning they fall on the floor. Why do you need to read Brachas Ekolalos? It's yeah, that's how it is. Not answering your answer, just saying that's a fact. That the Achash Koil Brachas Ekolalos. It doesn't seem there's any other shot for this. Just telling him, yeah, that's what I'm telling you. You do it. I really kapat guy Omakim Rab Yasef Shem V'Yeh B'Pazik. Koim V'Shchoitish. Kom Yosem. You meet him at him. When Atush Matman Avucha Dom Milsa. Your father said such a thing. So the Gemara, the Abba Omaken Ele Be'en Tav. That they in Garden they since they know for sure it's Chodesh. Shalom Koim is Koim Brachas Ekolalos. However, other places they do say Brachas Ekolalos. In other words, it's true that in most of the places we talk to say Brachas Ekolalos, we did not say Rosh Chodesh. Tana. Tishbos Chodesh Erev Shabbos. Oicha for the Beitza Achas. Sheichas for the Kois Eichad. Yeshei the Shabbos Mu'una. Divrei Yehuda. Yesema. Oimas Ani Mashtan. Machloikas. If the Ira of Shamra, Yehuda, Abba, Ima, Echasku, Shamra, Yuach, Alok, Oimas Ani Mashtan. Paskan, Yoisim. Lamed Omar Kibis, you start Machlot. Some change the names of Chachamim. Want to make sure to make a mistake. Die Pasken ist annehmen Aschlen. Die Ebeshem Rabun, viele Jochsche Gaza aus der Tainus bei Shabbos ist annehmen Aschlen. Gadot Rabbi Rabbi Yosef Kumi Rabbi Yosef boy Melech B'nei Adu'uvde. You want to learn for this halacha. Amalei, Rabbi Yosef said for Rabbi, nimmt die Beis Tzifcha. A while, let's still stay in Shul. Amalei Rum Shul. So, he said, Rabbi Yosef said for a baby said for Rabbi Yosef. It's where his man Suda. So, Omalei is on it. There's still time. He didn't want to tell him openly that he still was fasting. So Rabbi Yosef said, there's some time. Rabbi Yosef is Gabaturmison. I can give you to eat some snack. Finally he admitted. So Rabbi Yosef taught Rabbi this halacha that even a yochid should keep a lot of time as Erev Shabbos. He didn't want to say it openly, but then finally he admitted that that's the reason why he didn't want to eat, because he was Makabel Tainus. Rabbi Yasser was Makabel Tainus. And Rabbi came to try to learn this halacha, and finally Rabbi Yasser told him that didn't talk it that Sanei Mashkin. Let's start Perik Gimel a little bit. Zog the Mishnah. Say the taanith Adam Review Shoina out Smachim Sheshini Ashrim Aleim Yad. If it starts growing different type of smachim, something is wrong here, you have to right away make it through us. You don't wait till the last 7, like we had to by Shalom. Yeah, there's 3, 3, and 7. If it's 40 days with no rain, means you have to wait till the first Monday available. Shinu b'sheni or do you wait till Sheni? That's the question. Do you start a taanith on Sheni, or do you wait till, or do you say no? Right, the next Thursday we start the taanith. You push the shayla from this. He says you could wait till next week because you have a kabbalah ready to start fasting, so you could wait till the next Monday. Tona, he learned, even on Shemitah years where there's nothing to eat in the field, so what do you care? Let's say Tzmachim Sheshinu. What does it mean? What means Acherim? Chavrai Omni Pernosis Akim. The Goyim should have what to eat. The Goyim, they plant on Shemitah, and they're in trouble now. We won't have Rachmanis on the Goyim. They don't make Pernosis Chashudim. Some people are Chashid ala Shviyas. And even these Rishonim that they're Nebuch, they're Nebuch, they over and they plant on Shviyas, they also won't have Rachmanis on them. So we make a taanith that their plants should grow well. There were people in the times of the mission that were chashid to be over on Isser Shviyas, on Zriya, Harisha, and everything. You see that in Yishalmi Shviyas also. So anyway, for these people, the Chashudim, that's why we have Rachmanis and we make this taanith for them. Okay, I finished now Yud Gimel, Amud Aleph and Amud Beis.